Hey everybody, in this video we're going to show you 3 of our best soup recipes we've made over the past 4 years. We're going to start with our cream of chicken soup. I love this one. This one it's just perfect for winters, you know? I mean, all soups are, but you know, this one I don't know, I just feel like this one's more cozy. Let me know in the comments if you agree. Okay, let's get into it.
Start by creating a rich and flavorful stock. In a pot, combine chicken with bones, boneless chicken, small onion, garlic, carrot, salt, bay leaf, peppercorns, and 1 or 1.5 liters of water. Bring it to boil and let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. After that, remove the chicken with bones, shred them, and set aside. Let the remaining stock cool, then blend the mixture and set aside for later use. Before we move on, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. That way you won't miss any of our delectable recipes. Now let's create the star of the show. In a pot, melt some butter, add chopped garlic, and saute until aromatic. Toss in finely chopped onion, saute until translucent. Then add finely chopped carrot, boiled peas, corns, mushrooms, and any veggies of your choice. Sprinkle in some flour and stir it for 2 minutes. Gradually add the prepared stock. Now add milk, salt, shredded chicken, turn off the flame and add cream for that luscious texture. Turn the heat back on and let it simmer for 4 to 5 minutes. Garnish with green onion. This creamy goodness can be served with breadsticks or dinner rolls. The choice is yours. And there you have it, a delicious and creamy chicken soup that's bound to impress.
Hope you guys liked that one. Next up is our 19B soup. It's a really good fusion of Pakistani and Chinese flavors. Let's get into it.
First, let's prepare our ingredients. Take a chicken breast and slice it into thin strips. Chop the prawns into small chunks, or if your prawns are already small, leave them whole. Slice mushrooms thinly. We are using button mushroom. Cut a carrot into julienne strips. Chop just the green part of the spring onions. Now we are beating 2 egg whites, and set them aside. For slurry, mix corn flour with a cup of water. Now we are ready to create some magic. Before we head to the stove, a quick reminder to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out our recipe. Let's cook! Heat a pot with some oil and saute chopped ginger. Add the chicken strips and cook until they change color. Next, add the prawns and mushrooms and saute briefly. Season with black pepper, salt, chicken powder, white vinegar, dark soy sauce, regular soy sauce, hot sauce, and oyster sauce. Mix everything well. Now add water or broth if you prefer. We have linked our broth recipe in the description. Cover and bring it to a boil. Add the carrots and the corn flour slurry gradually until it reaches the perfect consistency. I prefer thick. Feel free to adjust the thickness to your preference. Make it just the way you like. Now pour in the beaten egg whites, let them set for a few seconds. Then gently stir. Finally, add the spring onion greens and a dash of sesame oil. And there you have it, our 19B soup ready to serve. Serve with crackers on the side and enjoy. Now let's taste it. Absolutely divine.
And now finally moving on to the chicken corn soup.
So we're gonna start with 700 gram chicken, 6 to 7 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of ginger, half teaspoon of salt, and 6 cups of water. Now wait till it starts to boil, and then we're gonna remove the scum. Now cover and let it cook for half an hour. And then strain it and shred the chicken. Now pour the chicken stock into the pot. Add the shredded chicken. Mashed corns, you can just mash the regular sweet corns. Add quarter cup of regular corns. Salt 1 teaspoon or to taste. And 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. You can also add chicken powder if you like. Now add 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and add slurry, which is made of water and corn flour. You can change the proportions according to how thick you wanna make it. Now beat and add 2 egg whites while constantly stirring the soup. I use just the egg whites, but you can use whole eggs too. Now for the preparation of crackers, take 2 tortillas, roll them and cut them into thin strips as shown. Now fry them until they get like a golden brown color. Mix 2 tablespoons of green chili with a quarter cup of vinegar. And these are the sauces to be served with the soup. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.
That's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, try watching this one. Like, actually, the YouTube algorithm thinks you're gonna like this one.